Hi friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ali, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get this Valentine's Day look. You can use any color of your choice to do this look. I chose to do blue, so if you would like to see how I got this, please keep watching. So I'm going in with this blue right here, and I'll be using that as my blending color. And this is the heart that I made. I just draw a heart, cut it out, and I'm spraying it with setting spray to stick it to my eye. So after you find an angle that you like, you're going to take your eyeshadow and just blend it all over your eye and cover the heart with the blue shadow so that you will see the cutouts. I'm going in with this small brush, and I'll just be defining the heart a little more with the blue, just so that you could see more definition in it. And then I'll be going in with my concealer just to brighten up the heart so you can see it a little better. So I just blended it out, and I'm going in with my Sacha buttercup powder, and I'll be setting the concealer because I'll be putting eyeshadow on the heart after the cut crease. So I'm using my Elegant concealer to cut the crease. This is the lightest thing I had to cut it, but if you could get your hands on a white eyeshadow primer or a white concealer, that would be good too. So I'm just going in with my blue and put back some shape into the heart so that you'll see it better. And I'm going into this white, and I'll be using that on my cut crease and on the heart cutout. I'm just going with some black eyeliner to line my waterline. I'm going in with this Magic Collection Essential Oil Lip Treatment. It's a rose oil lip gloss, and it heals and moisturizes. It feels really good on the lips. And I'll just be going in with some liquid liner and putting in all my beauty marks and moles that I lost while putting on foundation and powder and stuff. Okay friends, so this is the final look. Okay friends, please like, comment and subscribe if you would like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Bye guys.